show you how to quickly create this kind of effect. Really easy. It takes like less than 5 minutes in Cinema4d. So okay, let's start with the new file. Okay, so everything is new. We just go to grayscale gorilla. We take, okay, we will take any model. Okay, for example, I don't know, let's take this stone, so we download it. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit, then we send it to Cinema4d. Okay, let's yeah, let's scale it a little bit, make it bigger. We remove any material which is already there, so we create a new glass material. Just do it like that. So you make it transmission, I mean you set the transmission to 1, then we just remove the roughness so it's not blurry. Then we assign it to the stone. Okay, now we don't see anything because we don't have the light, so we use the dome light for that. Then I quickly created the textures in ChatGPT. I just wrote that I need an iridescent texture in ChatGPT, and you put it here to use as the light. Okay, already looks cool. So we just need to make it to be not visible by camera. Okay, maybe bump the exposure a bit. So yeah, and this is already looking pretty cool, and you can use any object possible. Then what you can also do, you just go to the redshift settings, and in the globals you can increase the amount of refractions and reflections, so it's a bit more nuanced. And yeah, this way you can get pretty cool visuals really quickly, and it works on any object. Okay, let's try another object real quick. I don't know, let's take some doodads. Okay, let's I don't know, let's take this one for example, or that one, Taurus. Okay, almost there. We send it to Cinema. We remove the material, make it a bit bigger, and assign the material, so, and we get this kind of result. And it's really easy to get many different variations, and it's very fast to adjust. And for example, we can use another texture for a little bit different look. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye, see you later.